Hi friends! Welcome to Kitchen Princess Bamboo, Japanese everyday food. Today I want to share with you my orange shokupan. I have so many recipes of shokupan from my pastry shop that I used to run for more than 10 years. This bread is one of it, and I used to make it at this time of the year. Orange shokupan is not a kind of everyday bread, but makes incredible toast, or you can make a dessert sandwich with cream cheese or chocolate ganache. Since this bread contains egg, unlike other shokupan, it tastes a little bit like French brioche or challah bread. It tastes refreshing and so delicious, of course. It's the taste of summer. Let's get started. First, let's take a look at candied orange peel made from organic Japanese truss growing in my local farm. Rinse out the syrup and pat dry and mince. Set aside until used. If you want to see my candied orange peel making, let me know in the comment. Put your flour, sugar, and salt into a stand mixer bowl. It's going to be a sticky dough more than usual, so I strongly recommend knead in a stand mixer. Run the stand mixer until well combined, then add in the yeast. While the mixer running, combine the wet ingredients. Mix the water and egg well until the egg white loses its firmness. Add in a slow and steady stream. Egg removes the rather heavy dough like this, containing orange peel. Continue mixing and add in orange juice. Orange juice makes the dough moist and aromatic and enhances the flavor of orange peel. Keep the mixer running until it develops the gluten for about 8 minutes. Stop the mixer and pinch the dough and it stretches paper thin almost see-through. Add in unsalted butter and run the mixer for about 3 minutes more. Do you remember why we are adding the butter at the end? We should develop the gluten in the kneading process. Any kinds of fat, including butter, weakens the gluten structure. But by adding it after the gluten structure is developed, it doesn't affect the structure. Let's give it a test again. The dough looks good. It's time to add orange peel. When the dough comes back together, shape into a ball and stretch the surface to keep the gas inside. Put the dough in a greased bowl and cover with the plastic wrap. Leave it at a warm place for about 45 minutes until almost double in volume. Punch the dough and put it back to the bowl. Do this with your wet hand. It's less messy. The punch provides fresh oxygen to the dough to activate the yeast even more. Leave it another 30 to 40 minutes until double in volume. After 35 minutes, the dough should look like this. Let's do the finger test. Poke the dough with your dusted finger and the whole doesn't spring back and stay as it is, the fermentation goes good. Take out the dough onto the working surface and divide into 3. Take 10 minutes bench rest. Bench rest relaxes the dough for the final shaping. Today I will shape it into mountain shape. After 10 minutes of the bench rest, gently shape into a ball again. Because this dough is rich, if you remove all the gas, the fermentation process is going too slow. Roll into a ball and give it a tension to the surface. Try using minimum amount of flour. If you add too much flour, the ratio will corrupt and you won't get the fluffy texture. Pinch to seal the end and put it in a greased mold. Cover with plastic or shower cap and let it rise for 45 to 50 minutes or until the dough rises a little bit over the edge. While the fermentation, preheat the oven for 100 degrees Celsius. It took me 50 minutes to fully rise. Pop it in the oven and reset the temperature to 200 degrees Celsius. Bake it 40 minutes in total. This bread is likely to burn quickly, so cover with the aluminum foil when it starts browning. This baking method is called cold start. It rises the dough so much higher than start baking in the hot oven. Smells so good in my entire house. Take out and tap several times onto your working surface to remove the air inside. What this does is removing the hot air inside the bread and prevent shrinking. Apply butter on top if you want and leave it until it comes to room temperature. I make my afternoon snack from the orange bread. Cream cheese and orange go so well, as you know already, and so does with chocolate ganache. And here is the easy bread pudding with the leftover bread. Whisk egg and sugar together. And add in whole milk. Place diced orange shokupan in a baking dish and pour over the egg mixture. Submerge the bread and let it soak up the custard. Bake it for 15 to 18 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. There you have it. Orange peel gives it a nice crunch and aroma, and the bread pudding tastes so special. It's a very satisfying bread, tastes richer than regular shokupan, and so delicious. Give it a try and let me know how you like it. Thank you for watching the video. Give me a big thumbs up and share the video with your friends and families, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Follow me on the social media and tag me on your post if you give it a try. And go to my website for the printable recipe and more information. And my store on Amazon has pretty much everything that I'm using in my video. Stay safe and stay healthy, and I will see you soon. Bye!